the most minimalist natural makeup. So if you want to see how I did this very easy, probably would take around like 15 minutes or less makeup look, keep on watching. So first I'll be going in with my usual Smashbox Hydrating Photo Focus Primer. Now I'm going in with the LA Colors Conceal It, Cover, and Correct Concealer. And then to highlight my face, I'll be going in with the CoverGirl Superstay Concealer in Medium Deep 50.
Water, earth, fire, air.
Black. Can you come here for a quick second? Look first in the clear case and see if you see like an orange brush in there. Be at the top. Is there an orange handled brush in there? Okay, so I do have all the brushes. Okay. Is it kind of blurry or is it in focus?
It's in focus.
Okay. Then I'll be applying 311 of the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Total Cover. Then I'll just be blending all of that out with my Clarisonic just to make sure it's super smooth. I'm using a lighter shade of a brow powder palette in the front and the darkest shade towards the end. I will be using my ABH Dip Brow, sent more towards the arch area. I'll be flicking upwards in the front as usual for a light fill. I'm using 311 again, conceal around my brows, but I will only be focusing it on the outside arch to tail area. I'm using 309 of the Infallible Total Cover to conceal underneath my brows and then dragging it down to my eyelids to prime. I'll now be doing a nice light baking, or what I like to call toasting, with the Maybelline Masterfix Setting Perfecting Loose Powder. Then I'm just dusting all of that on. I'll be using a peach type of shade called Cheerful from the Profusion Pro Face palette, and then I'm just going back into that palette using Involve for inner corner highlight. Now I'll be using a Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. Now I'll just be finishing off with my Maybelline Big Shot mascara in Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter and Precious Petals. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and when you subscribe, be sure to click the notification bell down below to keep up with when